Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover deleted TikTok videos on your TikTok. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So you can actually recover deleted TikTok videos within 30 days, which is going to be through the app's recently deleted section. So let me just go ahead and show you. So first things first, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. And once you've done that, tap on the top right triple lines icon and click on settings and privacy. Now, once you've done that, simply scroll down until you go ahead and find content. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So there it is, content and display section, and then tap on activity center. So you can simply go ahead and click on that right over there. Now, once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on deleted, recently deleted, and it's going to show you right over here. So it is as simple as that. You can tap on the video and tap on restore at the bottom and confirm. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.